Hey guys, I'm Zasif here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to hack Subway Surfer using Lucky Patcher. As you know, Lucky Patcher, or don't know, Lucky Patcher requires root permission. So if you haven't rooted your phone, don't watch this video. End it immediately. You're better off, you're better off watching something else. I don't know what. So we'll go to Subway Surfer to show you that this is not uh, patched or in any way. Now go to the shop and click on store. As you can see, there the prices are written in rupees. 105. I'm in Pakistan, so that's why I'm rupees. I'm gonna go with creative keys, and obviously it's gonna reroute me to Google Play. I'll click on continue, and it's gonna tell me to add credit card or debit card. I don't own a credit card or debit card, so we're gonna quit and use Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher can also be used for lots of things, like it can make licenses, it can make custom patch for some applications like Power Ramp, do in-app purchases. Now there are two ways you can hack Subway Surfer. One is the custom patch and the other is in-app purchases. Custom patch is well and good, but it needs to be the exact same version. Like the version should match the custom patch. But the version I have is 1.59.1 and the patch I have is 1.29.0, so it won't work. Even if you try it, it still won't work. You need to have the exact same version, and the version is really old. So I'm not gonna apply it. I'm gonna do the other thing, that is in-app and LVL emulation. Don't tick or untick or anything, just let it be the same way it is. It is most basically set to the basic in-app hack. Click on apply and wait for some time. Creating .odex with changes. It's a temporary file. All the patching that I'm doing is stored in the .odex, so I can reset it to unpatched application whenever I want. But if I restart it, then I can't reset it. I don't know what it said. Now here, as you can see, it's 28% success. 28 is good. I'm click on OK, because if you click on it, if you do remove ORX with changes, it's saying that it will restore the app. You can restore the app and make it an unpatched app whenever you want, but you should do it before rebooting. If you reboot your phone and then click on remove .odex with changes, it won't restore the app. Now I'm gonna launch it and see if it works. I think it will work. As you can see, the version I have is Subway Surfer Rio Edition. It's the latest version, as in August 30th August 2016. Yeah, let's see. I'm not gonna play the game. I'm just gonna go on to shop. I'm gonna go on to store, and as you can see, the prices have changed. 0.10, 0.69. I don't even know what currency it is. Now I'm gonna click on creative keys, and I'm gonna click on yes. It is increased. Previously it was 3. Now it is 3305. I'm click on this, and it is 3955. If you want to show off your friends, you can do auto repeat purchases with current settings. Click on this. Here you go, 4605. It won't show you anything, and then you can brag it to your friends that, hey, I'm a rich guy, I can buy things whenever I want. I recommend not bragging. They're just gonna keep on clicking it now, and the internet still works. If I go on a high score, where's top run? See, still works. United. I'm not in United Kingdom. What the hell? Oh, I just don't know. You have to change the country. I'm gonna be applied next week. Okay, cool. So there you have it. And if you want to remove the bragging thing, you just click on Tools and remove selected safe purchases. It will remove the safe purchases, and every time you click on it, it will reroute to the Lucky Patcher hacking simulator. I think it is simulator. Well, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it.